In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up DeepSeek with Janitor AI in minutes. Currently, pairing DeepSeek with Janitor AI has become a popular setup for people who want a more powerful and flexible AI experience without spending hours configuring everything. The process is surprisingly quick once you know the steps. DeepSeek provides the language model backend, while Janitor AI acts as the front-end chat interface where you can interact with characters, roleplay, or run custom scenarios. By linking the two, you can use DeepSeek's fast and intelligent responses inside Janitor AI's polished platform. To start, make sure you have a working DeepSeek API key, which you can obtain by registering on DeepSeek's official site. Once logged in, generate your API key and keep it safe, as you'll need it during the Janitor AI setup. Then, open Janitor AI in your browser or app, log into your account, and head to the Settings or API Configuration section. Here, you'll see options to connect external models. Choose Custom API and select DeepSeek as the provider if listed, or paste the endpoint URL and API key if you're doing it manually. Save the changes, and Janitor AI should now route all your conversations through DeepSeek. A helpful tip is to double check the API endpoint format provided by DeepSeek, because an incorrect URL or missing HTTPS can cause connection errors. You should also monitor your usage limits on the DeepSeek dashboard, as free tier accounts may throttle after a certain number of messages. For smoother performance, try setting a reasonable context window in Janitor AI's advanced settings so that DeepSeek doesn't waste tokens on excessive chat history. Many users also tweak temperature and response length sliders to better match their roleplay or productivity style. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.